This is the Huawei P20 Pro.
वेलकम टू कॉपर कनेक्शन दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ Huawei P20 Pro का अनबॉक्सिंग एंड रिव्यू।
A super attractive glass back. It's a phone with a notch. It's a phone that unfortunately won't be making it to the US. And it's a phone with 3 cameras. A 40 megapixel main camera, a 20 megapixel monochrome camera, and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera. Battery life is good as well thanks to the 4000 mAh battery crammed underneath the hood up there. But if you want something that's a little different, something that's a little unique in its own way, I'd say that this is worth a look. What do you guys think of the P20 Pro? Is it a cop or drop? Let's talk about it in the comments down below. As always, we love to hear your feedback. But anyway, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to the Android Police channel if you're new. I will talk to you guys later, and thank you so much for watching.